So next concept, logarithm. Common logarithm is logarithm to the base 10. So the log that we usually use is in the base of 10. So we will write like log 10a, or sometimes we won't write the base 10. We will directly write log a. So this one will be understood as the common logarithm, which is in the base 10. So natural logarithm is the base e. So log e, we can write it as ln. So ln and log e, they are same. So normally we see log e, we will write it in ln e. Okay, then the properties of logarithm, where you can see if your logarithm in the operation of plus or minus, it can be simplified back to a single logarithm here, where the item here can be multiplied if the operation is plus. If your operation is minus, your item here can be divide. So apa yang log bawa sini, kalau hasil tambah, dia akan jadi darab. Kalau log tolak log, dia akan jadi bahagi. So this is how we simplify our two log to be a single log. So at the same time, we can expand back. So you can see your direction like this. How to simplify to a single log. Then at the same time, you must know how to expand your single log back to two log here. So when you see your item is in multiply, kita boleh asingkan log dia satu. So log A tambah log B. Asingkan satu persatu. Individual log satu-satu balik. So kalau you tengok item dia bahagi, so it is log A minus log B. So it is two-way properties. You can see how to simplify to a single log and how do you expand back in the operation of plus or minus. So properties of number 3, if your item it is in power, so this power can be moved in front, become the coefficient of log. So like log x squared. So this number 2 can move in front, become the coefficient of log x, become 2 log x. Then next properties, if your base and your item, they are same. So log AA, we can simplify it as 1. So log 10 equals to 1. So ln E equals to 1. Ln E is log E, right? Base E, right? So base E, it is equals to 1. So if your item here is value 1, log 1, you will always get back to 0 for whatever base. Okay, the next properties is when you have indices in the base A, at the same time you have power of log base A. So this also can be simplified, get back to item B only. So like 10 log 10x, it is equals to x. Like E ln x, it will equals to x. Because indices base E, log here also base E, so they can cancel. Simplify, remaining B only. So simplify, remaining x only. So this one base, indices base, log base, they are same, so we can simplify, remaining x only. So for log, we also can change the base. If you don't want the base A, we want base C, so it can log CB over log CA. So log divided by log. Okay, so if you want to interchange your base and your item, so you want your base B, actually they are same with this, because when you change to base B, we'll write the item first, divide by its O base, which is A, where log BB equivalent to 1. So these two actually they are similar. So we just look at this only. We use this more. Okay, so bear in mind when we have logarithm of negative number, what's mean by this? Like log 10, negative number, any negative number here. So whatever log the item that you bring is negative, it will go back undefined. Alright, so that's why your logarithm of 1, your logarithm of item value 1, it is 0. So apa yang log bawa, whatever base, apa yang kita bawa di sini, your item here must be more than 0, positive number. Okay, So that will be our properties of our logarithm.